Hey guys, I'm Johnny, and today we're going to make a really delicious, very simple to make Nutella chocolate covered popcorn. First thing we gotta do, guys, is make some popcorn. I'm gonna put it to a medium, put in some olive oil into your pan, and then add your popcorn. I'm gonna use about maybe half to 3/4 of a cup. Make sure you put a lid on that, otherwise it's gonna pop everywhere. Take that off. Whoa! Making a mess everywhere. Okay, I'm just gonna take the popcorn off here and let it rest on the side. Now it's time to make our sauce. Okay, so here I have a small pot. Just gonna put that on my burner. I have about, what is this, 100 grams of milk chocolate. Let's break this up a bit. And then I'm just gonna put this into the pot. I'm gonna lower this heat actually, probably to low. And let's melt this chocolate. Grab my Nutella. I'm gonna eye this out, but I'm going to add about half a cup's worth. Yeah, that seemed like a half a cup's worth there. I'm gonna mix this with my chocolate. Next, we're gonna put in a little bit of pure vanilla extract. I'm thinking about 1 teaspoon's worth. Just a drop of milk. Mix this all together. Okay, turn that heat off. I think we got our perfect chocolate consistency here. Here you go. Delicious. It has a pudding-like consistency. We're just gonna coat our popcorn with this now. Put this aside for a moment. Put this away. Grab a mixing bowl. Add some popcorn. Let's take our chocolate mixture here. Pour that on top. This is so easy to do. And then mix up your popcorn with this chocolate. Add a little bit of salt. That's all you need to do to step up your popcorn game. I'm going to watch a little Netflix and enjoy this bowl. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Up, 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 up. You see her? Do you see her?